study in New Zealand and the University of Auckland. Welcome to today's video. In this episode, I'll be exploring everything you need to know about New Zealand and its world-class education system. Throughout the video, I'll guide you through key insights about studying in New Zealand, with a special focus on the prestigious University of Auckland. I'll cover essential topics including the university's location and vibrant campus life, its global ranking and accreditations, and some of the most popular courses available for international students. You'll also get a clear overview of tuition fees, admission requirements, both academic and English language, and the range of scholarships available to support your studies. Towards the end of the video, I will introduce you to your trusted partner, International Admission Service, based in Dhaka, Bangladesh. You'll also have the opportunity to meet Certified Study Abroad expert, H.M. Monsieur Roman, CEO of International Admission Service. So if you're looking for expert guidance and a complete understanding of studying in New Zealand, make sure to watch this video until the very end. Let's get started. About New Zealand education. New Zealand offers a British-based education system that emphasizes research, innovation, and practical learning. Degrees earned here are recognized worldwide, opening doors to global career opportunities. Introducing the University of Auckland. At the heart of New Zealand's academic excellence stands the University of Auckland, the country's largest and highest-ranked university. Established in 1883, it has grown into a globally respected institution with a strong reputation for teaching and research excellence. Location and campus life. Located in Auckland, New Zealand's largest and most vibrant city, the university offers a dynamic urban lifestyle combined with stunning natural surroundings. Students enjoy a multicultural environment, modern facilities, and endless opportunities for personal and professional growth. Accreditation and rankings. The University of Auckland is internationally accredited and consistently ranked among the top universities in the world. It is ranked within the top 100 globally and is a proud member of University 21, a leading global network of research universities. Popular courses. Students from around the world choose University of Auckland for its diverse range of programs, including business and management, engineering and technology, computer science and IT, health sciences and medicine, law and social sciences, arts and humanities. Tuition fees overview. Undergraduate programs, international students. Undergraduate tuition fees generally range from 32,000 New Zealand dollars to 45,000 New Zealand dollars per year, which is approximately 23 BDT to 32 lakh. Postgraduate programs, international students. Postgraduate tuition fees typically range from 35,000 New Zealand dollars to 50,000 New Zealand dollars per year, which is roughly 25 BDT to 35 lakh. The exact cost may differ based on the chosen course and the area of specialization. Admission requirements. Academic requirements. For undergraduate programs, completed your higher secondary certificate or an equivalent qualification with at least 75% marks. For postgraduate programs, you must have completed a bachelor degree or an equivalent qualification with a minimum of 65% marks. English language requirements. For undergraduate programs, IELTS, overall score of at least 6.0 with no individual band lower than 5.5. TOEFL, minimum overall score of 80 with at least 21 in writing. Private, minimum overall score of 50 with no communicative skills score below 42. For postgraduate programs, IELTS, minimum overall score of 6.5 with no individual band below 6.0. TOEFL, minimum overall score of 90 with at least 21 in writing. Private academic, minimum overall score of 58 with no communicative skills score below 50. The University of Auckland offers a wide range of scholarships for international students, including merit-based and need-based funding, helping reduce tuition costs significantly. International Admission Service. To make your journey easier, International Admission Service works closely with the University of Auckland to support students at every step. They provide fee admission guidance, scholarship application support, complete visa processing and assistance, no service charge at all. Meet the experts. CEO HM Monsieur Rahman has been working with New Zealand education for over a decade, with a remarkable track record of successfully placing students in top universities, including the University of Auckland. Book a one-to-one career counseling and mentorship sessions directly with HM Monsieur Rahman, absolutely free of charge. Your global future starts today. Visit International Admission Service in Dhaka, Bangladesh.